This is English shorthand dictation number 4 and the speed is 100 to 105 words per minute. Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. According to the appellant, in the instant case, the investigating agency should not have a slightest doubt that the appellant would not be available to the investigating agency for further investigation, particularly when he has already joined investigation and is fully cooperating with the investigating agency. Stop. Mr. Bhushan also submitted that according to the General Clauses Act 1897, the court which grants the bail also has the power to cancel it and the grant of bail is an interim order. Stop. The court can always review its decision according to the subsequent facts, circumstances and new material. Stop. Mr. Bhushan also submitted that the exercise of grant, refusal and cancellation of bail can be undertaken by the court either at the instance of the accused or a public prosecutor or a complainant on finding fresh material and new circumstances at any point of time. Stop. Even the appellant's reluctance in not fully cooperating with the investigation could be a ground for cancellation of bail. Stop. Mr. Bhushan submitted that a plain reading of the section 438 CRPC clearly reveals that the legislature has not placed any fetters on the court. Stop. In other words, the legislature has not circumscribed court's discretion in any manner while granting anticipatory bail. Therefore, the court should not limit the order only for a specified period till the charge sheet is filed and thereafter compel the accused to surrender and ask for regular bail under section 439 CRPC. Stop. However, we have considered the present petition moved by the petitioner in person. Stop. Para. It appears to us that the petition which has been presented before this court lacks in material particulars and it is also very difficult to discern precisely the allegations sought to be made in the said application. Stop. Rule 28 provides that the question papers set by the examiners shall be placed before the commission to ensure conformity with the required standard of examination, and the commission may moderate the question papers or constitute a committee to perform the work of moderation. Stop. Rule 30 provides for advertisement of vacancies for which sections are to be made and scrutiny of applications received. Stop. Rule 33 provides for the determination of place, dates and time of examination and the centers for examination. Stop. Rule 34 provides for the list of persons suitable to be appointed as investigators and appointment of invigilators. Stop. Rule 37 provides for fictitious roll numbers to be allotted to each candidate before the answer books are dispatched to the examiners for assessment. Stop. Rule 38 provides that the number of answer books to be sent to each examiner shall be fixed by the commission. Stop. Rule 44 requires the secretary of the commission to take steps for tabulation of marks obtained by each candidate as soon as the answer scripts are received after valuation and removal of discrepancies and corrections. Stop. Rule 45 provides for random checking of the tabulation to ensure correctness and accuracy of tabulation. Stop. Rule 47 provides that the original roll numbers of candidates shall thereafter be restored to the answer scripts and for issue of interview letters. Stop. Over.